See, on behalf of South Goa Advocates Association, we have given this petition to the Superintendent of Police based on RTI information which we have obtained from the office of the Sub Registrar. Now, it had come to our knowledge that some people are using this forged residence certificate for getting their marriages registered. So, based on that, we had asked for RTI information, and we were surprised that last year also and this year also, 2024 as well as 2025, there have been complaints made by the Sub Registrar Office to the concerned police station that such forged documents are being used. However, no action has been taken till date. So, we have made a petition to the Superintendent of Police stating that action should be taken against this. Now, the root of this goes against what? The main question over here is, today, as you are also aware, that we had earlier raised an issue as far as touts operating in the office of collected building, wherein they were very well fully involved in those mutation process and all those things. Now, at least some streamlining has been done in this mutation process, but I think we are still awaiting that the SOP should be issued by the office of the Mamdidar as soon as possible, but that is also in the pipeline. So, let us wait for that. We are hoping that it will be done as far as mutation is concerned. Now, this is also a larger thing which is operating on a larger scale, where touts are operating. Now the question, one more thing what the touts are doing is, we see that it has come to our knowledge also that these touts who are operating from the collected building, the modus operandi is what they wear a white shirt, they have some files in their head. Now common man thinks what, any person wearing white shirt and some files is an advocate. So tomorrow the entire thing comes on the legal fraternity. See, we have got our rules and regulations, we have got our ethics, we are bound by our ethics. But at the end of the day, unnecessary for anything happening, somebody or other says, no, this was done by an advocate.